Delightful day to each and everyone. I am Umala Srinivasan, studying in KCS Kosinadar College of Arts and Science at BCom Corporate Secretarialship, batch of 2019 to 2022. Now we are going to see about the valuation of shares. Already we saw theory and valuation of per share in the method of net asset method. Now we are going to see about the yield method. Yield method sum. First, we want to learn the question. From the following information, calculate the per value equity share. Here we have 5,000, 8% preference share of per each 100 rupees. So 5 lakhs. 75,000 equity share of rupees 10 each. So 7 each as 8 per share paid up. For that 6 lakhs accepted profit per share before tax is 2,80,000. Rate of tax 50%. Transferred to general reserves every year 20% of the profit. Normal rate of earning 10%. So okay, we can solve this problem. For that, first we want to calculate of expected rate of returns is equal to profit valuable of for equity dividend divided by paid up equity capital into 100 minus with tax at 50%. 50% 1,40,000. So minus with that 1,40,000 we will get it. And we want to minus with transfer to general reserve at 20%. What we get? 1,40,000 into 20 divided by 100 is equal to 28,000. We want to minus with 1,40,000 is equal to 1,12,000. We will get that is a profit after general reserve at tax. Now we are going to minus with the 8% preference dividend on 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs into 8 divided by 100 is equal to, we get 40,000. 40,000 minus with 1,12,000 is equal to, we will get the answer for 72,000 profit value for equity dividend. Now we are going to calculate the value of the equity share, and yield value per share is equal to accepted rate of returns divided by nominal rate of returns into paid up value per share. Second, we want to do calculate of accepted rate of returns. Accepted rate of returns is equal to profit available for equity dividend divided by paid up equity capital into 100 is equal to 72,000 divided by 6 lakhs into 100 is equal to, we will get the accepted rate of return is 12%. Now we are going to see about the value of the equity share. Already we told the formula of the equity share. So is equal to, we get the 12% for the accepted rate of returns. Nominal rate of returns is equal to 10%. 12% divided by 10% into per value per share is 8 rupees. So 8, we will get the answer for 9.6 rupees. The per share value rate is 9.60 rupees. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Please support us to do more videos. Thank you.